What if I told you one ingredient could transform your cooking forever? Today, we're talking all about lentils. They're amazing little beans that can do so much in the kitchen. Let's explore 5 yummy dishes you can make with lentils. First, let's make lentil soup. Cook some onions, carrots, and celery. Add lentils, broth, and spices, and let it cook until everything is soft. You can blend it up for a smooth soup or just enjoy it chunky with some bread. Next, let's make lentil curry. Cook lentils and mix them with a tasty curry sauce made with onions, ginger, garlic, and spices. Serve it with rice or naan bread for a delicious meal. Now let's make lentil salad. Mix cooked lentils with veggies like tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers and add a yummy dressing. It's a healthy and colorful side dish or lunch. Fourth, let's make lentil bolognese. Cook lentils and mix them with a tomato sauce with onions, garlic, and herbs. Serve it with pasta for a filling meal. Last but not least, let's make lentil hummus. Blend cooked lentils with chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic for a tasty dip or spread. And there you have it, 5 delicious dishes you can make with lentils. Get cooking and enjoy the lentil love. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more one ingredient wonder videos. Check out the recipes in the bio.